Hey, makers and educators. Welcome to Maker Monday, edm8ker's weekly series where we bring hands-on STEM projects to life for real classrooms and curious minds. Whether you're planning your next lesson on eddy4teachers.com or rolling out a full classroom experience with a Makercart, we're here to help you bring learning to life through making. Each Monday, we'll drop a new project that's quick to start, fun to build, and packed with creativity and STEM magic. Perfect for teachers, parents, and after-school champions alike. Next week, we're showing you how to turn a simple voice recorder into a talking greeting card. A project you can remix into scribblebots, classroom storytelling, and more. So grab your tools, bring your curiosity, and let's make something awesome together.